Ever wonder what comes after 5G? Get ready because the future is closer than you think, and it's called 6G. We're talking about a world where the digital and physical realms merge seamlessly. A world where your thoughts could potentially interact directly with your devices. This isn't science fiction. This is the promise of the sixth generation of wireless technology. So, what exactly is 6G? In simple terms, it's the next evolution of wireless networks, designed to be a monumental leap beyond what 5G can offer. While 5G brought us faster speeds and lower latency, 6G is set to redefine what's possible. Imagine speeds up to 100 times faster than 5G. That's not just a minor upgrade. It's like going from a bicycle to a rocket ship. We're talking about theoretical peak speeds of up to 1 terabit per second. To put that into perspective, you could download over 140 hours of high-definition video in a single second. But 6G is about so much more than just speed. It's about ultra-low latency, dropping from milliseconds in 5G to microseconds in 6G. This near-instantaneous response time is crucial for applications where every fraction of a second matters. Think about a surgeon performing a remote robotic surgery from halfway across the world. With 6G, the delay between their movement and the robot's action would be virtually non-existent, making the procedure as precise as if they were in the same room. Another game changer is the massive connectivity 6G will enable. It's designed to support an incredible density of devices, to 10 million devices per square kilometer. This means a future where not just your phone and laptop are connected, but everything around you, your clothes, your appliances, the roads you drive on, the very infrastructure of our cities. This interconnected web of devices is the foundation of the true Internet of Things. To achieve these incredible feats, 6G will operate on much higher frequency bands than 5G, moving into the terahertz spectrum. These frequencies, often called terahertz waves, can carry massive amounts of data, but they also have challenges. They don't travel as far and are easily blocked by obstacles. So, researchers are developing new technologies like intelligent reflective surfaces and advanced antenna systems to overcome these limitations and ensure reliable, widespread coverage. It's a huge engineering puzzle, and the brightest minds in telecommunications are working on solving it right now. Now, let's talk about the mind-blowing applications this technology will unlock. Artificial intelligence will be at the heart of the 6G era. The network itself will be intelligent, capable of self-optimizing, self-healing, and allocating resources where they're needed most. But more importantly, 6G will provide the data pipeline necessary to fuel truly advanced AI. Imagine AI systems that can process vast amounts of real-time data from millions of sensors, making complex decisions in an instant. This leads us to the concept of smart cities. With 6G, a city can become a living, breathing organism. Traffic lights will adjust in real time to optimize flow and prevent congestion. Autonomous vehicles will communicate with each other and with the city's infrastructure, creating a safer and more efficient transportation system. Emergency services will be able to deploy drones that provide real-time aerial views and data, improving response times and saving lives. Public utilities like water and electricity will be managed with unprecedented efficiency, reducing waste and ensuring reliability. The business world is also on the brink of a massive transformation. For enterprises, 6G will enable what's being called Industry 4.0. Factories will become fully automated, with robots and machines communicating seamlessly to optimize production lines. Supply chains will be tracked in real time with pinpoint accuracy, from the raw material source to the final customer. This level of transparency and efficiency will create new business models and revolutionize how companies operate. And what about our personal lives? Get ready for truly immersive experiences. Augmented and virtual reality will move beyond clunky headsets and become integrated into our daily lives. Imagine wearing a simple pair of glasses that can overlay digital information onto the world around you, providing navigation, product information, or even real-time language translation. Holographic communication could become a reality, allowing you to have a meeting with a 3D, lifelike representation of your colleague from another continent. It's the ultimate fusion of the digital and physical worlds, often referred to as the metaverse or the spatial web. So, who's building this future? It's a global race. Major telecom companies, technology giants, and research institutions worldwide are pouring billions of dollars into 6G research and development. From Samsung and Ericsson to Huawei and Nokia, everyone is working to define the standards and develop the core technologies that will power the next generation. Cloud providers like Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure are also key players, as the massive data processing required by 6G applications will rely heavily on cloud infrastructure. This isn't just a tech trend, it's a trillion-dollar opportunity that will reshape the global digital economy for decades to come. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. The move to 6G also brings up important questions about security, privacy, and the digital divide. How do we secure a network with trillions of connected devices? How do we protect personal data when our every interaction generates a digital footprint? And how do we ensure that the benefits of this incredible technology are accessible to everyone, not just a privileged few? These are complex challenges that will require careful planning and collaboration between governments, industry, and society as a whole. While we're still in the early days of 6G research and standardization, the vision is clear. We're not just building a faster network, we're building the nervous system for a new digital society. A society where intelligence is embedded in everything, where communication is instantaneous and immersive, and where technology works in harmony with our physical world to solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. The journey to 6G is expected to take the rest of this decade. with widespread commercial deployment likely beginning around 2030. But the work being done today is laying the foundation for a future that will be more connected, more intelligent, and more efficient than we can even fully comprehend right now. It's an exciting time to be alive, witnessing the birth of a technology that will fundamentally change our world. If you're as fascinated by the future of technology as I am, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We LLB keeping a close eye on the development of 6G and bringing you the latest breakthroughs in AI cloud computing and next-generation networks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.